Hey guys, welcome back to an episode where I'm documenting my journey with the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you guys are not familiar with what the Amazon Influencer Program is, basically if you have any type of social media following, you could create a profile on Amazon and you could post photos or videos reviewing any product that's sold on Amazon. And these videos or photos will appear on the actual product pages. And while people are scrolling through the pictures and videos of the product, if they actually click on your video and watches a decent portion of it and decides to actually buy that product, then you will get a small commission. I found that the commission percentages range between 1 to 5%, I believe. So ideally, the higher dollar value of the product, then the bigger your commission is. Also, how often is that product sold and things like that. So we are currently in week 12 of being in the Amazon Influencer Program, and this week I slacked off a little bit. I was focusing on more of the YouTube side of things, just trying to produce more content, trying to juggle between this YouTube channel and my second YouTube channel, trying to figure out a good schedule for both. So for this week, I only was able to publish one video for the Amazon Influencer Program, and I was thinking to myself, why am I grinding this hard on doing YouTube and the Amazon Influencer Program? I need to slow down a little bit so I don't burn myself out. So currently in my library, I have 157 videos, and this week in terms of clicks, I generated almost 700 clicks with those 157 videos. So like I mentioned earlier, when somebody clicks on your video, it shows up as a click, and then it might not always convert into sales. At this point, since I've been in the program, I've had over 7,000 views or clicks on my review videos. This week with my 700 clicks, I got about 50 sales. So a little bit down from last week where I had 80 sales, and the week before that in week 10, I actually had 70 sales. So I just wonder how much did my not producing content for that week actually impact how my other videos did. But at the same time, I really just think it was probably a slow week for us in terms of the products that we actually reviewed. So I'm not super worried about it, because at this point during my whole time within the program, I've gotten over 700 sales. So one video produced, 700 clicks, 50 sales. How much commission did I make? I made a commission this week of $81. So $81 for the week, I would say, is pretty good for a side hustle that I just started, 3 months ago at this point. And $81 will bring me a total to about $658, something like that, for my whole amount of revenue generated from this side hustle. And $81 will average out to about $12 per day. And like you guys know, my goal currently for the year 2024 is to hit $17 per day consistently. I think that's roughly the number that I need to generate $500 a month from this program, and we are well on our way. The past 3 weeks, I got an average of $11 per day, $16 per day, and this week $12 per day. So fluctuating a little bit, but that's to be expected. It just depends on how often people are actually buying things on Amazon, specifically the things I've reviewed and given overviews of. So I've just been reading a bunch of news articles about people struggling with their bills and such, so it makes sense that people probably aren't buying too much random things on Amazon right now. Also heard of a bunch of layoffs in the tech industry, so who knows how much that's impacting how people are buying things currently. But I have 3 videos next week just to keep my Amazon storefront a little bit active, because I'm pretty sure Amazon likes that. So we'll see what next week's numbers look like. But at this point, I'm pretty pleased with how things are going so far. If you have any specific questions about the Amazon Influencer Program, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.